Have you filled your bucket today? Everyone in the world carries an invisible bucket. You can't see it, but it's there. It's a feeling bucket. When it's full, you feel happy and loved. When it's empty, you feel sad or lonely. You fill your bucket when you're kind, helpful, and respectful to others. You also fill their buckets when you do something nice. If you share your toys, say kind words, or smile at someone, you're a bucket filler. But if you're mean, hurt someone's feelings, or leave someone out, you're dipping into their bucket. And that makes both buckets feel empty. So don't be mean or rude. Instead, be kind and show empathy towards others. And you know what's the best part? When you fill someone else's bucket, your own bucket gets filled too. So, every day, ask yourself, have I filled a bucket today? Let's be bucket fillers and spread kindness everywhere we go. Thank you.
Thank you for the sweet story. Let's carry this message of empathy in our hearts and spread it wherever we go.